Gold and silver both have shown a little swing today. We have seen both the metals dropping and have shown a very good recovery now as well. Now, what to expect? Can we consider this as a reversal? Can we say that the metals have turned bullish and should we buy? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch. Now see, if you look at the gold on the hourly charts, I have mentioned earlier, see after this drop it is almost flattened here, thus we have to be cautious here. If you divide this into two, you can find almost symmetrical movement and slightly bullish skew, but it has to break beyond 2410 2412 zone. It is yet shying away from this zone, and thus if you see gold is staying above 2410 2412, you can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 2420 2422 and in fact higher levels. Possibility exists because see, I can see it forming a cusp here, and thus it could reverse. The stock has ticket overbought zone, the MACD rising, RSI rising. If you look at the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, symmetrical formation, identically symmetrical levels here. And the last two candles, if you look at, see one very good bullish candle, and then the bullishness has got diminished. So it is very, very important for us to wait beyond 2410, 2412 zone, which will confirm a move towards 2460, 20, and then we can in fact wait for 2426, 2420, the next stronger resistance zone. Yes, the moving averages after crossing over here are trading bearish, but I can see that there is a possibility of a retracement as well. Stochastic rising back to overbought zone. MACD also rising. This is what I have mentioned earlier in the day. It has crossed over and it is looking upwards. It can continue to deliver bullish candles. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 3 now, look at 3 hour chart. See, uh, price waited for the 20 period moving average. It has achieved it. Now what to expect? Can we expect it to break beyond the 20 period? Can we expect it to keep moving towards 50 period? See, if you look at the movement here, look at these two candles. These two candles suggested that the prices failed to stay bearish and have reversed strongly. Now on the downside, again, it is very, very important how it behaves at around 2494 97 zone, below which you can expect further bearishness. See this, stronger support is seen at around these levels, and below this zone is where the bears are waiting, else it is still not to be treated bearish. You can see prices were divergent, it has converged here, and now if it breaks on the upside, stronger bullish momentum may prevail. The stochastic back to overbought. Look at the 3 hour charts, crossed over here, just two candles away. It can continue to deliver bullish candles here. The RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, I can see symmetry. And look at these two candles. These can be identically symmetrical candles as well. And what preceded this was a stronger bearish move. If it is symmetrical, it can deliver a bullish move here. But if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. These are still showing signs of bearishness, and thus we have to wait for it to break beyond 2410 2412 zone, which will confirm further rise towards 2416, 2420 22, and then 2426 28. Very, very strong resistance exists till towards 2426 28 zone, and beyond that we may see it hitting towards 2440. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. Look at the MACD, this is on the verge of a crossover on the 4 hour charts. This crossover can lead to a reversal here. The RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services, and do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. The broker offers a SAFRI account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges. Just do not miss this opportunity. Now see what has happened for the day. We have seen it delivering higher lows, and so far it has delivered lower highs. So yes, it has to break beyond the yesterday's high, which will confirm its continuation of movement and momentum towards upside towards 2420 2430 zone. But right now I can see it confining within this, so we have to wait for it to give a breakout, clear cut breakout, either on the upside or on the downside. Stochastic oversold. MACD, look at MACD now on the daily charts. The MACD has just crossed over. This is still bearish. It is two candles away. It can possibly continue with the bearish momentum, but yes, a retracement candles followed with a reversal is what you can expect. RSI running flat. Now see, also one must notice what has happened yesterday. It has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. It has closed at the 20 period moving average. Today again it is taking the support. It has opened at the same zone, formed a little tail, and now rising. So yes, if you see it is staying above 2410, 24 tail, initiate a buying entry. But then 2416, 2420, 22, then 2426, 28, and then 2440 levels will be seen as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2394 levels. Expect 2387, 84 as the first support zone, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail, and then I will wait for it to break beyond 2378, 2370 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you look at silver on the hourly chart, see the drop, retracement, and every time it has come towards the zone, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2920, which will be an ideal buying entry for us, and then we have to wait for it to break beyond 2940-50 zone. If this zone is taken, you can say now silver is turning bullish, and then a stronger rise can be seen. Now see what is this trying to do. It has formed a good base here, and if it reverses from here, it is going to be a stronger move, and then 30, 30, 40, 30, 50 levels can also be expected. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see symmetrical formation, couple of green candles. Wait for it to break beyond the 20 period moving average and also the critical resistance zone here at 2920. Now 2920, 2940, this zone you should watch out for. If you are buying at 2920, you will find it getting hesitant at 2930, 40, 53 key resistances here. Beyond 2950, we can expect 2960, 2980, and $30 levels. So till, or rather I will say till 2960, you have to be cautious. Beyond the 2980 and $30 levels are going to get achieved. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI is also rising here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. We have to wait for it to take or give a breakout. Yes, a breakout either on the upside or on the downside. Stochastic rising. Right now, I can see the movement is confined within the zone. Moving averages, see MACD also trading with divergence looking upwards. This is a sign of bullishness here. As this crossover is coming at a slightly lower levels, it can continue to retrace. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. See, similar pattern is observed here as well. And thus on the upside, it has to break beyond 2940, which is going to be one critical milestone. First thing is whether can it achieve 2940. Yes, the possibility is there. In fact, you can buy 2910 itself. When you see the lower prices above 2910, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 2920, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 60. We have to be careful, and it will turn bullish if it breaks past 2960. Else what is happening? It is trading in this bearish channel, hitting the highs at 2940, 50. It can reverse again. Yes, it can turn bearish again, hitting the levels. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. What has happened? The lows for the day are achieved. It has hit the lower lows and it is trying to retrace. Now it can show you swings and close in doji. If it is bearish, it has to come back towards 2905 levels. Yes, it can keep moving towards 2930, 40 levels, and from there it can reverse again. So a little swing again cannot be denied, and it can, if it closes at around 2905 and $29 levels, you can say a possible bearish momentum again tomorrow can be expected here. Right now it is showing little swings here. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is bearish and the RSI is almost running flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here. If you see it is staying about 2910 levels. When you see the lower price about 2910, remember this is riskier as silver can again drop. As long as 2960 is not taken, do not treat this for a reversal. I am again giving you a very cautious warning here that it can reverse again or it can show you swings. Thus every 10 cents you have to keep your stop. You have to put a trailing stop loss. So beyond 2910, 2920, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 60, it is fine. It is not bullish. It can reverse. You have to keep booking profits. Beyond 2960, it is extremely bullish towards 2980 and $30 levels. And beyond 30, it is 3050 levels, which will come into picture. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2880 levels. Below 2880, again, we can expect it to move towards 2860. And then we can look forward to 2860. 50 is a very good support zone. Below 2850 is where the bears will take over, and then we can look forward to $28 levels very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon or join the free Telegram channel. Thank you.